Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. Riddles. Let's begin. First question. What tastes better than its smell? A. Curry. B. Tongue. C. Sugar. D. Milk. The correct answer is option B. Tongue. Next question. What two things can you never eat for breakfast? A. Bread and tea. B. Apple and orange. C. Pizza and sandwich. D. Lunch and dinner. The correct answer is option D. Lunch and dinner. Next question. I am light as a feather, yet the strongest man cannot hold me for more than 5 minutes. What I am I? A. Breath. B. Brown paper. C. Cotton wool. D. White thread. The correct answer is option A. Breath. Next question. I am always in front of you, but you cannot see me. What I am I? A. Past. B. Shadow. C. Future. D. Mirror. The correct answer is option C. Future. Next question. What has teeth but no mouth? A. Knife. B. Saw. C. Iron. D. Hand. The correct answer is option B. Saw. Next question. What goes in the water black and comes out red? A. A crab. B. A turtle. C. A snake. D. A lobster. The correct answer is option D. A lobster. Next question. Which of these months has 28 days? A. January. B. February. C. March. D. All. The correct answer is option D. All. Next question. What has two words but thousands of letters? A. Post office. B. Bank office. C. Car park. D. Storeroom. The correct answer is option A. Post office. Next question. I am a celebrity fish. What I am I? A. Goldfish. B. Swordfish. C. Starfish. D. Sunfish. The correct answer is option C. Starfish. Next question. Which is the most curious letter? A. Letter U. B. Letter Y. C. Letter B. D. Letter C. The correct answer is option B. Letter Y. Next question. I made two people out of one. What I am I? A. A mirror. B. A shadow. C. An echo. D. A silhouette. The correct answer is option A. A mirror. Next question. A man who was outside in the rain without an umbrella or hat did not get a single hair on his head wet. Why? A. He was old. B. He was running. C. He was walking. D. He was bald. The correct answer is option D. He was bald. Next question. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What I am I? A. Money. B. Phones. C. Actions. D. Footsteps. The correct answer is option D. Footsteps. Next question. Jeffrey's father has three sons. January, February and A. March. B. April. C. Jeff. D. John. The correct answer is option C. Jeff. Next question. What belongs to you but other people use it more than you? A. Your car. B. Your pen. C. Your bag. D. Your name. The correct answer is option D. Your name. Next question. I am not alive, but I grow. I do not have lungs, but I need air. I don't have a mouth, but water kills me. What I am I? A. Fire. B. Battery. C. Plant. D. Mountain. The correct answer is option A. Fire. Next question. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in a thousandth year? A. The letter N. B. The letter M. C. The letter T. D. The letter E. The correct answer is option B. The letter M. Next question. What has many keys but cannot even open a single door? A. A guitar. B. A cello. C. A piano. D. A drum. The correct answer is option C. A piano. Next question. The more I appear, the less you see. What I am I? A. Shadow. B. Darkness. C. Moon. D. Reflection. The correct answer is option B. Darkness. Last question. What can be opened but cannot be closed? A. A box. B. An egg. C. A briefcase. D. A tap. The correct answer is option B. An egg. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.